Hi, and welcome to At Home Crafts with I Create Lab. Today we will show you how to make a dandelion painting with toilet paper roll and Q-tips. The materials that you will need for this project: toilet paper rolls, scissors, Q-tips tied up with rubber bands, white acrylic paint, black or white canvas, brushes, palette, and a cup of water. In this video, I will be using a black canvas that I painted the other day. Since the color of the paint I will use is white. You can also do this in any color with a black canvas. The first step, we are going to use scissors to cut below the line of the toilet paper roll into small strips. Keep doing this until you reach towards the first cut you made. When you're done, flatten the area of the toilet paper roll like so. This will help the strips to be coated by the paint. Next step, you will grab your acrylic paint and put a certain amount onto the makeshift palette. Use a flat brush to evenly spread the paint to create a circular shape. Grab your cut roll and pat it on the paint, then do the same on the canvas. Rotate each pat and add more paint. Depending on the size of the canvas, you can also add another dandelion. Grab the tied up Q-tips and coat it with paint, then tap the inside circle of the dandelion. Apply paint again and lightly tap on the outside circle of the dandelion. Next, get your brush and lightly create small lines on the inside, and then create a stem. You can also add little dots with a brush or with a single Q-tip. For a nice effect, you can also wet your brush with a little paint on it. Then use your fingers to create a splattering effect. Then you are done! This is the final result of the dandelion painting. You can also do this with a white canvas and with different colors of paint. The techniques are the same, except you layer the color paint from light to dark. I hope you all enjoyed this video.